Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can transfer ownership of your Squarespace site to another person. So let's get right into it. Now, I won't be able to show you guys specifically how to change your ownership since I don't have any collaborators which will actually join my site, but I will talk you through it and explain all the steps behind it. Now, what you see here is the main page of my site, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go into our settings menu in the bottom left. From here, we're going to go into permissions and ownership, click the only available tab, and here, as you can see, I have a menu of all the contributors and members of the site. As you can see, currently I am the only one here, and the first thing you're going to want to do is invite contributors, as I've mentioned previously, and as you can see, change permissions here will impact all subscriptions associated, so keep that in mind. But first, as I mentioned, invite a contributor, add their name and email address, and make sure they're set as an administrator. And then once you send the invite, make sure that they actually accept it. Now, once they've accepted that invite, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go next to your account, which is currently set as the owner, and click Transfer Ownership. This will then ask you to verify your account, and I'll just select Continue with Google, select the account that I'm currently using, and once that's there, as you can see, you have a drop-down menu which you get. Currently, it is empty. If a contributor actually came to my site and accepted the invite, I could select them and then go ahead and continue. However, I won't be doing that since I don't have any other contributors, but that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.